Okay, we are going down to get tea at Vlorë down by the Lungomare. My plans to go to Athens to buy tea were dashed because of the phone mishap. But on the way, I have a much more interesting task. A much more interesting task is going to the post office with my rental contract to see if I can get the mailing address here. Under ordinary circumstances, I wouldn't have to do that, but my landlord is dragging her heels a little bit about getting me the address, so I'm going to try this and see if it works. I'm kind of excited, it's a challenge. We'll see. It either works or it doesn't work. I tried. But meanwhile, on the way, this is a very good thing, I spotted a new store in the same arcade area near Conad as that Cafe 1912. It looks like a full Asian store, only Asian products. So I will stop there. Everything is truly a few blocks away. I'm so glad I moved to this location. Yeah, so this is the arcade. Okay, well here I am. I've bought a few things and we are in the new Asian store. I have to find out the name. Terry and her husband Jack are the proprietors. Like I said before, it's exactly across the way from Cafe 1912, and I'm sure the word is already out, but I wanted to put it out to people who haven't even moved here yet, because this is an important opening. Well, that was quite the stop. Anyway, so now we're going to attempt the post office. Hey, well, moving right along, I am in the post office, and the lady said that they can help me, but not at this office, at the one in the center. So I'll be getting my home address pretty soon. Ooh, close to home. Oh, there he is, the butcher. I gotta go in and get something. Oh, wait, two. Yeah. Not to my near, as they say in Albania.